Okay, let's start. It's Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a childhood friend.
I had many friends in my childhood, but I would like to talk about my best friend. The name of my best friend is Ali, because he's still my best friend. He's 18 years old. We have been a friends since student days, school days. I met him when I am when we are study in fourth class, in study fourth class in Darul School, Shadiwal campus. At that, he's a very beautiful person. At that, he use a curly hairs, but now he has a straight hair. I would like to do study with him, and I play games with him like a football or PUBG. I spend I would like I spend my times with him. When I spend my time with him, I became very happy, and he a lovely person. He stands with me in my trouble, and
Okay, thank you so much. He have lovely person. Means उसके पास एक बड़ा सोना बच्चा है, like सोना बंदा है or anything like that. He have a lovely person. You
He's
should
a-
say he is a lovely person.
Yes,
Okay. Then you said we are study. So it should have been we used to study. Then you said he have several times. It should be he has or he is. Then you said he use curly hair. Now we don't have a wig that today I use curly hair, tomorrow I use blonde hair. So you should say he used to have curly hair, but now he's got straight hair. Something like that, okay? So focus your basic English grammar and then it's going to be fine. Otherwise your answer is going to be very funny. He have a lovely person. Wow. Okay, let's go on. Speaking part 3. How do people make new friends?
there are different methods to make friends. Children can make friends in school and colleges, and a young person can make friends through social media, like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp.
Okay, your understanding is good, but your language is weak. So try to brush up your basic English grammar, okay? Then you'll be fine. Thank you.